Okay, so the 7 minutes are up, and now I'm going to apply my wig. Woohoo! So here we go.
Now, folks, y'all heard of Miss Carlisle. She's come to dance in the Silver Slipper. But tonight, she's doing a special dance down at Miss M's tent. Why don't you get my sample, senorita?
And I do have a clip. I have just one that I put in the top braid. Try not to comb it too much or put too much pressure on it, just so that it doesn't pull the bond off until it really sets.
We'll be back in a little while with some exciting Spanish Gitana dances. Whiskey.
And it looks like I'm gonna have to bring out the straightener because I got some flyaway curls here. Let's see if I can tame them to go the way I want them to go.
The golden age of Greece gave us the wisdom of Horace, Hippocrates, the father of medicine, and Plato's ideas on justice. It is as expedient that a wicked man be punished as that a sick man be cured, for all chastisement is a form of medicine. In the Greek concept, a man was supposed to make the most of whatever creative abilities he possessed.
Trying to see that where that lifted. That means I'm combing it too hard and I probably need to wait.
Socrates, for example, he was an ex-soldier who exercised every morning to avoid fat man jokes and returned every evening to a nagging wife. Perhaps that's why he gave us that profound plan for living in harmony, the golden rule.
I'm going to leave it alone so it can set, bond, but that's it. That's me, y'all. I know for the longest I wouldn't wear it curly. I would just throw it in a ponytail and be about my business, but I'm liking the curls and I like it down, so now I'm getting a little used to it and learning how to work it.
There was something wrong with the man who, finding himself poor, did nothing to better his condition.
But there she is.
Poverty was only a disgrace if it came from idleness, extravagance, intemperance, or folly.
So there you go. That's my girl. Alright, y'all have a good one. Bye.